Today we're going to do a different type of haul. The package came to me. So I ordered some fun supplies from an online scrapbooking store called mylittlescrapbookstore.com. So let's see what goodies I got. So let's get this package open. It's the Acre Park Winnie the Pooh set. Love how this is packaged. First up, because I have a cat, I've got tags and sentiment pages, at least 2 of those. All things Winnie the Pooh, Eeyore, Tigger, and Piglet. I just can't get enough. Also came with frames and tags, ephemera, and I plan to put this all to good use. So let me show you how this adorable book turned out.